Hi guys, welcome to Shami Cooking Mantra. Yeah, right, this is the idli batter. I'm going to make idlis, and the proportion what I use for idli is 1 raw rice, 2 boiled rice, and 1 urad dal. And I soak it for 4 to 5 hours and make it a batter, and next day it will be ready for idlis. Usually I steam the idlis using cloth. I don't prefer applying oil and making the idlis. Once if you taste the idlis which is made with cloth, it is steamed with cloth, you will never want to take idlis which is made out of applying oil and steaming. This will have a unique taste, and this is the perfect idlis. Even in roadsides you can see all Chutney people, they will sell idlis with cloth which has a good flavor. So to make a difference, I'm just adding coconuts on the top, idlis with toppings. So let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes, keeping it in a medium flame. For that I am going to make a chutney, which is a spicy Andhra chutney, but I have added less spice. For that I have added 2 onions, 5 to 6 garlic, and 1 handful of roasted gram and tamarind, and 5 to 6 chillis, red dried chillis. If you want, you can add curry leaves to this and blend it and then temper it. I'm going to temper the chutney. Adding oil and then mustard seeds and curry leaves. This chutney, you can use only garlic or only onion, but I have used both. Only garlic will be very spicy, so I have added onions. So let it comes to a boil. By the time the idlis will be ready, I am adding salt and little turmeric powder. If you don't like turmeric powder in chutneys, you can skip that. The idlis are also ready, so I am going to plate it. The chutney is also done. So see my idli, super soft idlis with coconut and Andhra spicy chutney. So we had this breakfast. We had this idli with the spicy chutney. You can add ghee if you want. And now we have started to go to a place. You should know about this place, and this is in Hyderabad and in some cities in India. But we need this so badly because when you want to make an interior, say a kitchen or a living room or a bedroom, you first need to know what is the cost, what is the budget, and what comes into the budget. That is what is possible within your budget. And when it comes to that design, what kind of design you want, whether you want a modern kind of interior or a contemporary or an antique style, whatever you want, you have to decide, and everything has to mingle. Like if you select a wallpaper which is ethnic, you can't go for a dining table which is very modern. So it has to match. All this you have to consider, and the color combination. So for that you need experts for everything. When you give it to a designer, we don't know how it will come out. The final result may be something else. Also budget wise, it may vary. If you order for say if he says it comes to 2 lakhs, then after finishing he will say more 40,000 we have spent. Like that it may change. And so many things, we have to keep on talking to them, and they have to come to our taste, and it has to be feasible in that design. So many things are there. For everything there is a solution. So IKEA is a solution for this kind of problems, and you can furnish your house perfectly, because in IKEA there are so many displays of so many kitchens, living room and bedrooms. Everything will be there, so you can select accordingly what comes to your budget. And even the utensils, when it comes to kitchen, even the utensils you can select. If you want everything to be a ceramic, wooden kind of display in your kitchen, you can do it accordingly. There is a wide range of collection we have, and you can select it. So in the next part we will see how IKEA is. So now sale is going on, that is they have discounts, so it will be very useful for all IKEA lovers. And if you come once, you will know what is IKEA, and you can just have an idea by watching the next video from Shami Cooking Mantra. Thank you guys.